All right, I got some questions from DIYers, like DI, why did I listen to the people on the internet? And DI, why didn't I ask for some help? So the first one is, hi Bryan, I read online that wallpaper was perfect for renters. It's a good option. We could spruce our place up and then easily remove it when the lease is up. Well, the lease is up and so is the wallpaper. Help! How can we get rid of this stuff off our walls? We could lose our damage deposit. Signed, Stuck in Vancouver. P.S. We decided to renew our lease because we purchased our first home. We'd love any new homeowner tips you have to share as well. Well, getting that old wallpaper off, you can use a paper tiger. You can spray some water on there. The tiger will put some holes in. It'll release the glue. With the new home, I mean, there's a million things to do and a million things to learn. You probably want to do some renovations, make it your own. The best piece of advice I can honestly give you is just come down to the home show. You'll meet the experts. You'll see lots of products, get lots of ideas, and you may even see me there. So come to the home show.